Alright, so hey everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how to create a form in ClickUp. So first of all, just go to your ClickUp account and go on your space, select your list, and here click on this view option on top and select form. You can also just click on this plus icon, and from here you can select form. Alright, I'm going with this one. Just select form. Now, as you can see, ClickUp is offering different type of templates like feedback form, project intake, order form, job application, ID request. So you have two options. Either you can start from scratch or you can just use this template or customize it. So for this video, I'm going to start from scratch. Now, as you can see, this is start page, this is end page. So let's say I'm going to make a form about job post. Now here, just click on this plus icon. And from here, you can select heading or button, toggle list, or any YouTube video, slides, Google Drive, anything you want. So I'm going to select text. Just click on normal text and click on add question. All right. So this is a job post for YouTube video. Okay. Now here, if you want to add more questions, just click on it. And from here, you can select uh, task name, description, assignee status. You can add text, dates, contact info, people, uploads, number, signature. I'm going to add date, right? So enter date. Okay, as you can see, date field is generated. Now the person who is submitting the form can submit this date. Also, you can add a text, like this, contact info, email, phone number. Now the person can add date, their name, email, or phone number for this job post. So you can customize it according to your need, or you can just add another form and use a all right and use a pre-made template. Going to delete it. Okay, just click on wave. Wait a minute. Form, and I'm going to select a pre-made form. So let's say job application form. As you can see, you can also use AI to make these type of forms. Just click on ask AI, and here click on all sources. Make sure you have selected your workspace in which you are creating the form, and just ask it to create a job post form for you. If you want more tutorial like this, make sure to subscribe and like the video. And if you have any questions, let me know in the comments.